In this video, we'll demonstrate how to switch between open windows on your Windows PC and Mac. Switching between open windows can be a challenge when you're in a rush. In such situations, these keyboard shortcuts should help you swiftly navigate between them. To switch between open windows on your Windows PC, simply hold down the Alt key and press Tab. This will bring up the Windows App Switcher, allowing you to cycle through open applications by tapping Tab while holding down Alt. Once you've selected the desired app, release the Alt key to open it. For Mac users, holding down the Command key and pressing Tab achieves the same result. Press Tab to cycle through open apps. Then release both keys to open the selected one immediately. This video serves as your go-to guide for easily switching between windows on your Windows 11 PC or Mac using the keyboard. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of our curated videos tailored just for you.